you are going to learn the easiest way of doing a difficult thing like making 3D image in Adobe Illustrator. Open the app, create a new artboard. The smaller the better for your computer. I will go with 500 by 500 pixels. Create a vector image or insert a new one. I will go with this one. It is my company logo. Create a background. Send it to the back. Change the color. I will use something related to yellow. Select the both, make group, go to effect, 3D and materials, inflate, change the depth to 20, go to materials, go with basic one, change the roughness to 2.2, it is 0.3, go to lighting, intensity 75, rotation 145, okay, height 40, softness to 50, and this intensity to 65. Click the drop down, toggle on it, select the high and click render and wait, and boom. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and share, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye.